Hello everyone, this is Super Team. How are you all doing? This time I wanted to show you one of my most favorite rose plant and how I'm going to repot it. If you can see the leaves, they are yellow and brown and there are too many of them. It means this rose is stressed. It has outgrown its pot and the pot is smaller now. So I need to repot it to a larger pot. Carrying this hulk of a sack of sand is a task. This is the large size pot that I've got for my rose plant. It is almost 14 inch. So yes, you can see. And my rose mixture is pretty simple and straightforward. One part dried cow dung, then sand, and then a bit soil. Mix it well. Mix and mix it well. I make sure that I get this soft consistency on my soil. I stay in a rainy place, so it's really important that the soil is well drained. And the perfect soil mixture for my beloved rose plant is ready. Look how soft and fluffy. Taking the rose plant out of the planter is a bit of a challenge because of the thorns. You go out. Yeah, it is out. Ow, 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 ow. Now I've filled almost 1/3 of the planter with the new fresh mixture. And now plant the shrub in the middle of the planter. Now fill the remaining with the fresh new mixture. And evenly top up. And we are done. Although it is overcast here, but I wanted to water it because I wanted to see. Can you see the water draining fast? There we go. Mission accomplished. The final result is impressive. I will keep you updated next year once the plant is in full bloom. Until then, bye bye.